To draw honeybee, we'll draw a circle in the center of the paper. You can use compass. Then after doing this circle, we'll add another circle right below it. So this is the head and this is the body. Next, we will draw a triangle which will form the tail or the sting of the honeybee. After this, we'll draw two tiny circles of same size. So we have put two circles. Then we'll put one U and another U. Two English alphabets. Sorry, one English alphabet twice. And draw a line to the end. After this, we'll add two small circles inside the last circle. And another tiny oval shape below, and color the rest of the eye. So I'm just filling in the space inside the circle. With this done, we'll add antenna. Just draw a curved line ending with a spiral, another curved line ending with a spiral, and we'll now put numerical 3, that is number 3. As you can see, this is the number 3. We'll put number 3. So 1. So this looks like number 3. Similarly on the other side. With this done, we'll add a curve and another curve inside the body. So next step, we'll start coloring. I'll be using a marker pen. You can use anything which you like, crayons, color pencils, paint. Paint is quite fun. Painting does require time, but it is fun. Smaller lid. After this, we'll also color this part, sting part. So once we have colored this, we'll color the honeybee using yellow. Now we'll be coloring the wing using light blue color or the sky blue color.